continue with our purchase draws. So remember guys, not only do you get a prize in December for the volumes, if you are in the packing volume, you digest volume, you are also gonna get prizes when you purchase this month. Okay, Rocket's got one prize, and then she'll get another prize. She gets 2 stubs. Okay. Pick one other prize to leave. Alright, she gets 2 stubs. Yes, Tiffany is now gonna get a mystery gift and a tote bag. Wait, say what and this is a DJ Paeste tote bag. Next, we're gonna get stubs for Vel de Grey. Let's do Vel de Grey, and she has 3 stubs, so let's get 3 prizes from here. Ready? Rocket, go. 1. Zuli, 1. And then I'll get another one. Alright. This is a friendship keychain. A friendship necklace. It can be separated 4 ways. A black diamond shop pin and a diamond painting moon box. Yay! Alright, next. Diamond painting with the besties is gonna get 1 stub, so she's getting 1 prize. Alright, Lily, pick a prize. Alright, diamond painting with the besties get. She's gonna get a $20 gift card. Yay! Next. Mika gets 1 stub. Rocket, please pick a prize. Alright. Zuli, what does Mika get?
A bear.
A bear.
And a white one.
Yeah. Cool. Next. Tiara Green has 2 stubs. So, let's...
Santa.
Alright, now show your picking a prize skill. Alright, and then Rocket, Elf, get 1. Alright. Tiara Green, gets a 10% discount coupon and a butterfly diamond painting keychain.
You got this?
So, this is what I'm doing right now for those that have purchased on December 1. Alright, so next is Cheryl Lemper. Cheryl Lemper is getting 7 stubs. Wow. Alright, so let's pick 7 prizes, okay? Ready, set, go.
3.
1, Zuli, next. 2, 3, next. 4, 5, 6. How many is that? 3 and 3. So 1 more. I'll pick the last one. 7. Okay, give me the cards. What did Cheryl win? Oh my, this is a lot. It's a lot. Okay, first prize for Cheryl Lemper. Are you okay? You okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Gets a gray pouch, a dark gray pouch. Boom. Next, gets a gem cover minder. Boom. Next, she gets a bead container. Boom. She gets a $10 gift card. Boom. She gets a diamond diamond paperweight. Boom. Next, she gets a $30 gift card. Boom. And lastly, she gets a 10% discount coupon. Good job, Cheryl Lemper. Last one is Tiny Worlds of Wonder. She gets 2 stubs. So 2 stubs, one for each elf. What do we have for each elf to pick? Okay, come here, other elf. One and one more. Alright, what did Tiny Worlds of Wonder get? She gets a blue pen spray container. Perfect for sanitizing. Next is a white pouch or a light gray pouch. Congratulations!
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and sit.
Alright, that's it for this edition of December Prize Raffle Draw. Yay! All right, we are back. I got my elves. Come here. I got my prizes, and I got my raffle draw names for the volume. This is for volume 190. Welcome to December Prize Raffle. Alright, so come on, Elfie, sit here beside me. We got a few names to pick here. Please pick a name, Rocket. We got some new prizes mixed up with the old prizes. Okay, and then Zuli, Elfie, pick a prize, please. Alright, what could it be? Alright, this is for Lisa Ivani, and she is getting a jewelry box. So Lisa Ivani is getting a jewelry box straight from Boracay.
Yay!
Cool, congratulations. Alright, let's pick the next name. Zuli, want to get the name? Who could it be? And then Rocket, pick a prize, please. Alright. Alright, thank you. Tara Reynolds is gonna get a green pouch. Congratulations!
Yay!
Where's the other one? Alright, cool. Alright, Rocket, name please. Yeah, just pick one. Alright, so.
Yeah, I said clips.
Ah, that's right. Kathy Myers. Not too close to the camera. Kathy Myers is getting flower clip. A flower clip.
Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom.
Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom. Congratulations! And this is a prize straight from Baraka.
Yeah!
Alright. Lily, your turn to pick a name. Rocket, your turn to pick a prize. Alright. Jane McGee is gonna get a Boracay pouch.
Yay!
I think this is a coin purse. Yeah, Boracay coin purse. Woo! Congratulations! Alright, settle down. We don't want to get hurt. Hurt.
Well, scare me and make me hurt to fly.
Yeah, not too high. Okay, not too high. Alright, pick a price. Elfie. Alright. That is, yeah. Ashley Cumby is getting a bee surprise beads. Yay!
Be surprised!
Alright. Thank you for the dance. Try to dance a little closer to me, not too close to the camera. Okay. A couple more here for this batch. A couple more names. Zuli, your turn to pick a name. Just one name. And then your turn to pick a prize. Alright. Yeah, thank you. Alright. Aki Hasegawa is getting a diamond painting moon box. Yay! Not too close. Alright, congratulations. And lastly, we got one more name. I'll pick the last name. And we are getting... Alright, Julie, pick a prize, please. Alright. A fish! Alright. Wait. Christy Castellano is getting a Boracay keychain! Yay! Where's my Elfies? Celebrate! Let's go! Yay! Yay! Alright, yes, and that is for Volume 190. Thanks for joining us. Next is Zuli. Go! Alright, bye bye!
Bye!
Please stop it.